Ever wondered how to turn a simple silicone mold into a gorgeous welcome sign that'll make your guests feel right at home? Today I'm spilling all my resin secrets, and wait till you see the sparkle on this beauty. Welcome to Happy Place Creations by Connie. I'm so happy you're joining me today. I've got something super fun planned. We're transforming this giant 10 by 6 silicone mold into a stunning welcome sign that'll brighten up any entryway. Grab your gloves and let's get our resin on. I'll show you all my favorite tricks along the way, and trust me, you're gonna love how this turns out. All right, friends, time for the magic to begin. I've mixed up our Let's Resin epoxy and I'm feeling sunny today, so I'm going with this gorgeous light yellow for our background. Just look at that beautiful flow as it spreads across the mold. This soft yellow is going to make the perfect backdrop for our welcome sign. It's cheerful without being too bold. Now, patience is key here. We need to let this cure completely before moving on. I know, the waiting is the hardest part, but trust me, rushing resin is never a good idea. While this sets up, I'll be dreaming about all the pretty embellishments we'll add next. While our beautiful yellow base is doing its thing, let's not waste any time. We're going to work on what really makes this sign special, our lettering. I'm using my Cricut machine for this part because it gives such clean, precise cuts. Let me walk you through my design process. First, I played around with different fonts until I found this gorgeous, flowy script that just screams welcome home. But here's where I got a little creative. See that pumpkin? I actually replaced the O in welcome with this adorable little pumpkin to give our sign that perfect fall vibe. Now for the fun part, watching the Cricut do its magic. I'm starting with the black vinyl for our lettering. Check out how precisely it cuts each curve and swirl. And I'm showing you this in real time because I think there's something so satisfying about watching the cutting process. Once the black is done, we'll move on to cutting the orange vinyl for our pumpkin. No speeding up here. I want you to see exactly how this works in case you want to try it yourself. Attention subscribers! Clear your schedules and set those alarms because the creativity explosion happens 3 times weekly, every Thursday, Friday, and Saturday at 6 p.m. I'll be dropping fresh inspiration bombs right into your feed. But wait, there's more. Want to be part of the exclusive inner circle? Join my members-only club and get early access to every single creation before anyone else. Plus, peek behind the curtain with a tour of my studio where I do all my crafting. This sneak peek is for members only, the behind-the-scenes content that I don't share anywhere else. This is the VIP experience you've been waiting for. So hit that join button below and let's create some magical masterpieces together. And just like that, our beautiful yellow base has fully cured. Now comes my favorite part, adding all those gorgeous decorative elements that really make this sign pop. I'm placing our elegant welcome lettering with that adorable orange pumpkin replacing the O. Such a fun seasonal touch. Along the bottom, I'm adding this beautiful floral border with delicate orange and peach blooms that create this gorgeous watercolor effect. Did you notice those sweet little butterflies fluttering among the flowers? They add such a whimsical touch. The combination of the soft yellow background with these warm autumn colors gives this sign such a welcoming, cozy vibe. I love how the black script pops against the background while the pumpkin ties in perfectly with those peachy orange flowers below. This is exactly the kind of sign that makes guests feel right at home the moment they see it. What I really love about this design is how it captures that perfect fall feeling without being too heavy or obvious. It's subtle, elegant, and still so seasonal. Don't you just love how the resin gives everything this beautiful depth and shine? Now for the finishing touch that's going to take this beauty to a whole new level. I'm mixing up another batch of our Let's Resin epoxy for our top coat. But wait, I've got a little secret to share with you. I'm sprinkling in some crushed crystal, and oh my goodness, you're going to love what this does. This crushed crystal is like magic in a bottle. It adds this incredible sparkle and dimension that catches the light in the most amazing way. Just a little bit goes a long way. As I pour this clear, sparkly layer over our design, watch how it enhances all those beautiful colors while adding this gorgeous shimmer effect. The best part? When your guests see this sign hanging in your entryway, it'll have this subtle sparkle that changes depending on the light, almost like it's alive. This is one of my favorite tricks for elevating a resin piece from pretty to absolutely stunning. And remember, patience is key here. We want to let this final layer cure completely so we get that glass-like finish that makes resin projects so special. Trust me, the wait is totally worth it for that perfect shine and sparkle. Here, the moment we've all been waiting for, the final reveal. Let's demold this plaque and see how it came out. Let's see how our crushed crystal worked. And there we have it, our welcome sign. Just look at that sparkle. And there is our back, that beautiful yellow sheen. Let me turn it over so you can see that shimmer effect. Now let me bring it closer to the camera so that you can see that autumn design with the beautiful butterflies, pumpkins, and flowers. How amazing that looks with that yellow backdrop. And look how beautiful that pumpkin turned out and that shimmer. Isn't that just amazing? Thank you for joining me today. See you next time. Right here, same crafty channel, same crafty time.